Welcome to Rise Against Minis. Today we're going to be talking about plastic cement. How to use it, where to use it, and why to use it. Roll the footage. Before we get into it, I thought I'd give you a quick rundown of how plastic cement actually works. Essentially what's going on here is the plastic you see in Warhammer sprues, other miniature models are available, are polystyrene. Polystyrene are long polymer chains which are separate. So when you push the two pieces together, they can't connect. What plastic cement does is it dissolves those polymer chains and enables them to mix together and mesh together, so that when they glue, they essentially form one piece of plastic. Listen, cheers for checking out the channel, really appreciate it. If you've enjoyed it so far, give the video a subscribe, like it, and maybe even comment below to ask some questions. Okay, so I've got some Necron Warriors here which I've cut out from the sprues and have filed off the excess for. The first step though is applying plastic cement to all the different joints. You do this because that allows the cement to start to work and melts the cement before you can join them. So just work through, apply the plastic cement to all the joints first so it can sit there and act. It'll take a few minutes to cure, so it's not a problem. Once that's done, you can begin to press them together. I tend to use a pair of needle nose pliers to do that. It allows you to apply a little bit more pressure without being so rough on your hands, but you can use your fingers or whatever. And then I'm obviously going around applying more plastic cement to the various parts because you obviously build up each model's in layers. So go through as you're building up in stage by stage by stage and applying that plastic cement all the time, allowing that 10-20 seconds to allow the plastic cement to start to dissolve. I lightly press that together and then again I'm going to clamp it. So again, using those needle nose pliers just to apply a bit of extra pressure more than I can apply with my fingers. Holding that for 20-30 seconds until I can be sure it's gone off. Once I am sure, back to the plastic cement, leave it 10-20 seconds, and then apply the final pieces. Ooh, isn't it pretty? Right, so at this point I've left the model overnight. You can leave it 2 or 3 hours, that's absolutely fine, but I was doing this last thing at night, so I left it overnight, so I know the plastic cement is completely cured. So what I then do is I take my sanding sticks and I start working down the model in progressively finer and finer grits, just taking off those excess bits of plastic that have oozed out of the sprue when I've applied the plastic cement. So I start with a really coarse grade and I'm just doing a gentle rocking motion as I'm filing those just to make sure I'm covering the shapes of the model, following the shapes of the models. And then you can see it's got a really coarse texture, that's just because it's a really coarse grit. And then I'm working around the model, taking everything back, but that's obviously not the stage we're going to leave it at. So I've got a slightly finer grade and I'll just go over that. Again, gentle rocking motion, backwards and forwards, just taking any bits and pieces off that model and making it progressively smoother. I go to work all over the model and then I move up to another grit. So this is our finest grit sanding stick now, and we're literally just going over this now to finally polish in that model. You'll still end up with a bit of discoloration on the model, but actually to the touch it feels almost as smooth as the actual plastic itself, so it'll be lost completely by the primer when we paint it. That's the final step. We're done, we're ready for priming. Well, that was fun, wasn't it? I hope you enjoyed it as much as me. If you did, subscribe to the channel and I'll see you next time. Cheers. Welcome to Rise Against Minis. Today we're going to be talking about plastic cement. How to use it, why to use it, and where to use it. Roll the footage. Shit. Tamiya plastic cement is a butyl Tamiya plastic cement is a butyl acetone. Damn it.